channel. It's your boy Dominique.
Okay, what's that?
Chilling here, doing my vids. You know, yeah. I got my 39. Bye. Okay, so what quest don't cost me repair? You know what? I'm gonna have to equip my porcelain dipper for this one. Actually, no. I'm gonna have to equip my bubble wand for this one, guys. This one's gonna be so hard. Central. Okay, let's go get my thing from the thing shop. It's like being a noob all over again. Hey dude, I just fell out. Noob. You're not really a noob. I'm more of a noob than you right now. How much fallen do I get? 587 only with the bubble wand in there, dude. Oh god. Just look over at my little brother on the couch. And he's just straight up on the couch, standing up and just belly flopped on it.
Gavin, leave the hair conditioner on.
Gavin!
Alright, let's try.
Oh god! Oh, nice! Ow! Okay, this is gonna take a while. Don't think I've really gotten myself 100 mil from the pine tree this episode. I might just possibly could finally get my pine tree master. Dude, if I had it, I would have. If this wasn't messed up, I'd have the master already for Pepper. If it wasn't 500 million to get past the cadet. Oh my god. I've been in Pepper so much. Oh, coconut's really good for me to practice on. You know, I've only ever been in my coconut crab once, and yet I made. Well, most of this is just from attempts of trying to defeat the coconut crab. The coconut. The coconut crab. The coconut. The coconut crab. I'm from like 60 million a second to 20, like 60,000 a second in Pine Tree to 20,000 a second. That's a major jump. And I got another B too, guys. I'm hoping I'll probably be able to do it by the time I have 40. Man, I'm pretty good at this game. Yeah. Okay, so. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 Let's go. Oh, okay, I can't miss an opportunity for something in Sunflower. I mean, after all, I am trying to get the honey mask. So I just waddle over me and my 31 gifted bees over to there. Very close on the white pollen. I've only done this quest for like 2 days. Been nailing this quest. God. But this quest makes me scared for what the next one's gonna be like. So this one's already bad enough. What's the next one gonna be? Da da da! You know, I feel like most of this operation's just gonna be my bees. My bees are really good. Am I getting 3,000 per second in this field? Okay, this okay. 6,000 per second. 7,000. Okay. What? How am I only getting this much? Well, I have my porcelain dipper and stuff. This would be so easy. I don't even know why I'm even in this stuff right now. I think I just put my porcelain and stuff. I don't have my sparklers in this field right now. I don't know. I'm going back to being a noob. Just making so many terrible choices. Give me all the sunflower seeds! Give me all the sunflower seeds! Oh, a red. Oh, blue extract. I'll gladly take. Give me all the sunflower seeds! Give me all the sunflower seeds! Give me the sunflower! Give me the sunflower seeds! We want sunflower seeds! We want sunflower seeds! Give me sunflower seeds! Okay, I'm just gonna go back. Put my porcelain stuff, you know. Just go on. Shimmy on over to the porcelain shop up here. Oh, Mondo check in 17 seconds. Take me a while to do that. That's too long for the video. Okay, equip. I remember going into, like, I had the 350,000 backpack. I remember going into the porcelain, but I'll have like 250 million. This better be good. And then it literally gave me like, then it literally gave me like 150,000 more. I was like, I regret buying this now. I feel like everybody would have said that. And it's still a upgrade. It's not a big one, but it's still a upgrade. So, it's still not. Okay, let's go Sprouts! Let's go Sprouts! Let's go Sprouts! Papa Sprout! A Papa Sprout! A Papa Sprout! A Papa Sprout! I'm poppin' dumb sprouts. 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 Let's go. Yeah, sunflower seeds. Give me all. Give me all the sunflowers. Oh, give me all the sunflowers of the seeds. Give me them all. These sunflower seeds. Oh, give me. Why are all these people just buttoning on my stuff? My sunflower seeds. My sunflower seeds. My sunflower seeds. My sunflower seeds. Give me my sunflower seeds back. I'm gonna force you to trade them to me through trade. Want to make trade so these guys can trade me back all the sunflower seeds that I've lost. Should have enough to go do what I want now. I recently figured out a gifted basic bee is the best bee in the game. I saw someone do it, and so they bought like one of like the barrel backpack, and then so they had just the tool for the game.
When we moved to New Orleans, we opened up a retail shop and also a restaurant in the French Quarter. It's all about coming up with ideas that are different.
Okay, I got some jellies.
Draw people in to.
That's cool. That's cool. That's cool.
So whenever we come up with these new, and sometimes crazy ideas to help the dogs, we do. When I can't, I show up. I help brainstorm. I help marketing ideas.
Yeah, okay. I'll just.
Every day.
Hopefully, it's been an hour. Hopefully, hopefully, it's been an hour. Hopefully, it has been an hour. Give me all my oil. Give me the oil. Or else I mean, technically, if I was trying all my glue and stuff, I couldn't afford. I don't have enough honey. I'm poor. I don't even want that. I want this for the passive. Booga booga passive coins, Jaga. Booga booga passive coins. Okay, let's go. Yeah, there's some people who kept stealing all my sprouts. I just kept following them everywhere, and so I planted like a sprout. And then, so I left out of the field, and then, so they were working on that sprout. Then right when they popped it, I went in and stole the entire thing. I kept telling them to answer me in the chat, but they would not do it. It was like Mama or Mia or something like that. It was weird names. And someone else like Diaz. I don't know, okay? Nobody knows. And I would summon Stickbug, but I gotta do some server hopping to find some people who would actually do Stickbug with me. I almost got 50 tickets. I should soon be able to do it. If I actually got the ticket from that honey storm, I would be able to.
And it was very hard, but I'm glad that we got to love her and she got to love me.
Oh, somebody just on Ticket.
She's pretty reliant on Mona, correct? She was encouraged by her.
Wait, so can I do stuff?
Sunshine, she's not necessarily a super social doll. She's really nervous in new situations, but she is encouraged by another dog's confidence. I think that having another dog with her gives her a sense of security. Hopefully she'll...
I'm gonna keep the train going, and I'm gonna summon the honey storm. Because why not? You know what I mean. If you knows what that means. Oh, 2 tickets in 1. Yeah. Let's go.
I mean, it's great that you guys are so aware of her feelings, though, you know, and you make sure that she's comfortable.
I remember starting all these new accounts, and I would just like Can I have a honey storm? 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 God, that was weird. I'm weird. I'm stupid. I'm stupid and weird. I don't know what I am. I'm the weirdest of the weird. Oh, that guy. He has a demon mask. He might want to do it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go up to Stick Bug, see if I actually can. Maybe with the Stick Bug bronze I can do it.
Besides, you adopt a skin dogs because we feel that a lot of these dogs get overlooked, and most people they want puppies and find it more interesting out of the older dogs. They, have just as much loving personality and just need a place to stay.
Sunshine is I'm kind of her person, so.
Oh, I can't.
Yeah.
Well,
So we wanted to have all of us, but just Sunshine in particular. The dogs we're showing you are all amazing and fantastic, and I think that any one of them would probably be a great fit. We'll see how she takes them. And one of them that we're showing, they used to be friends, and that's Curtis. Curtis came to Assumption Parish. She had been down in jail with a litter of puppies. He's pretty easygoing, but he's playful, he's fun, he's not like the perfect. So Curtis is it back when Sunshine was still with us, they were walking puppies.
blooper blabbers. Blooper blabber. Oh my God, Auden, I hate you right now. I am hating you right now. If you don't just let me finish your star journey, I swear. I hate your quests. I hate your quests.
Surrender in Assumption Parish. She was dropped at the jail, and
I have not been working on stuff.
once we got Viola,
I barely even know my still down like 10 billion. So I've gone down 10 billion, but not really. Okay, what I've gone down 11 billion. Okay. 12 billion. Huh? Yeah. Dude, I've been doing this, dude. Dude, so you could come up on that. Dude. Okay. Yeah, just gonna end it off with.
I feel like out of the gate, I had to like.
Just gonna end my video. Ooh! Level up to level 9. That's another level 9 beat to my drawing pile of them. Hey, Noob Bear. I'm gonna finish it off with turning myself back into my past self. Okay, guys. This is the end of the video. What?
Unfortunately, it wasn't the same for Sunshine, so because she's not feeling it, we're
What?
The next one we're bringing out is not your typical Villalobos dog. Melody is approximately 8 years old, and she is a little.
Okay, guys, just gonna end it off here with some Noob Bear.